The national security trial of Jimmy Lai has been postponed for a second time, pending a ruling by Beijing on whether a British barrister can represent the media mogul. The new date has been set for next September. Janice Low reports.
Security outside the High Court was beefed up ahead of the arrival of a prison van carrying Jimmy Lai. Some officers were armed with automatic rifles. Lai and 3 companies linked to the now-defunct Apple Daily were charged with conspiring to collude with foreign forces and publishing seditious materials. The trial was set to begin today, but prosecutor Anthony Chow asked that it be postponed to next month. This was because Beijing has yet to respond to the chief executive's request to clarify whether an overseas lawyer can be involved in national security cases. Chow expects a decision to be made when a standing committee of the National People's Congress meets later this month. However, senior counsel Robert Pang, who is representing Lai, said the standing committee might not respond to the request as it is not included on the agenda. Pang asked if the prosecution assumed that the interpretation request would be rubber-stamped by Beijing. He proposed adjourning the case to October. That's because Tim Owen, the British lawyer Lai wants to hire, would have finished another case in Hong Kong by then. Pang refuted that Owen has left the city after the immigration department refused to extend his visa. Judge Esther To then decided to start the trial on September 25th. The proceedings are expected to last 40 days. Earlier, 74-year-old Lai applied to hold his trial on the grounds that the absence of a jury deprives him of the right to a fair hearing. The court will decide in May on the stay of proceedings bid. Lai, who has been remanded for 2 years, will remain in custody. Janice Low, HKIBC.